We are given f of x equals to square root of cos 9 theta minus 2 cos 4 theta cos 5 theta. And we are asked to find the values of theta where f of x is defined. Remember, if we have a square root and for it to be valid, we need a positive number or 0 under the root. If it's a negative number, it becomes imaginary or non-real. Eh? So for this to be defined or valid, we know that cos 9 theta minus 2 cos 4 theta cos 5 theta must be positive or equals to 0. So must be bigger than 0 or equals to 0. All right. And then let's observe this, ladies and gents. Here we have 9 theta, we have 4 theta, we have 5 theta. And we want to at least have two different angles, which is going to be A and B. We don't need the third one. So the 9 theta, I'm going to try to express it in terms of 4 and 5. And I know for a fact that 9 is 5 plus 4. So I'll replace cos 9 theta by cos 5 theta plus 4 theta minus 2 cos 4 theta cos 5 theta, which is bigger or equals to 0. And then I'm going to expand cos 5 theta plus 4 theta. So it's going to be, it's cos A plus B, right? Which is cos 5 theta cos 4 theta minus sine 5 theta and then sine 4 theta. Then minus 2 cos 4 theta cos 5 theta is bigger or equals to 0. All right. Then I need you to observe this. Here you have 3 cos 5 theta cos 5 theta cos 4 theta cos 4 theta. So those are like terms. And here we have 1. So it's going to be 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So we're left with minus 1. Actually, we don't write the 1, right? We're just going to say minus cos 5 theta cos 4 theta. Then we minus it by sine 5 theta sine 4 theta. And that should be bigger or equals to 0. Then, ladies and gents, remember, if we see a pair and a pair, we know that it has to be a compound angle. But because compound angles are always positive on front, I'm going to take the negative out just to see which one it is. No? So taking a negative out, I'm left with cos 5 theta cos 4 theta. This will turn into a plus because we're taking a negative out, so that when I multiply back, it will still give me the negative. Okay? Then plus sine 5 theta sine 4 theta is bigger or equals to 0. Then we close the bracket, right? No, sorry, we should close it here. Right. And then we can see that this one is cos, sine, sine. So it must be a cos compound angle. So it's going to be negative cos 5 and 4 theta. If the sign is a plus, though, here it becomes a minus if you check on your formula sheet, which is bigger or equals to 0. Then when I have negative cos theta, because 5 theta minus 4 theta is theta, which is bigger or equals to 0. And then cos theta will be less than or equals to 0. All right, cos theta is negative. What did I do there? I divided by basically negative 1 both sides. And then on the right, I'm left with 0 still. On the left, it's cos theta, but the sign must switch because we are dividing by a negative. So we're looking for where cos is negative. Do you see it? And we know that cos is negative in these two quadrants. This one and that one. That's where cos is negative. So which means from here to there, cos is negative. And we know that there is 90. Here is 270, right? So it means from 90 degrees to 270. That is where the values of theta will make f of x defined. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.